Hi there, my name is Amy Stevens, and I am a yoga instructor of over 21 years experience. And I've been talking with my clients more recently, now that we're in lockdown yet again, about what their goals are in this time frame. And for many of them, as they've been cleaning out their pantries and their closets and trying to get into those higher little nooks and crannies, it's all about the range of motion for their shoulders, for their back, giving them ample support to be able to reach up high while feeling confident standing on a ladder. And it's also about being able to get down onto the floor with no problem and check out what's underneath the bed. Oh no. And so this process of creating stability in the body, creating the flexibility that's needed to be able to move up and down with comfort and ease with no problem. And so if you have any inclination to join me for a week of yoga, $7, 7 days. And you can check it out with the live classes to see how I am in person and enjoy even some of the conversations with the other students in practice as well. We do meet via Zoom. And if you're not familiar with that platform, I do have a little introductory series that I do with individuals one-on-one to be able to get them more comfortable with that process. So I'm more than happy to be of assistance to you in this time frame. And for those who have limited range of motion, this is the practice for you. Many of my clients have had hip surgeries, shoulder injuries, and knee replacements, and so this has been a wonderful way for them to continue on with their range of motion, with their mobility. And I have one client in particular, she's 84, and she had mentioned to me that the whole reason why she got started into yoga, besides her daughter pushing her or nudging her into the practice with me, but it was to be able to stand on one foot, one leg, to be supported to put on her pants. And that's a pretty tall order. And so she has accomplished that within a 2-year period of time with no problems and feeling rather stable and strong in this time frame as well. So if you have an interest and you want to join in a practice, the 7-day for $7 is available now. Go to my website, yogaamy.net. yogaamy.net, and you can check out what is available through my live classes and then how you would want to move forward. There's several different options. Look forward to being of service to you. Thank you.